Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is okay. Social media is both good and bad. Social media both good and bad. Social media. This eternal question about is it good for us or is it bad for us? I, in my opinion, anything whenever we talk about these things, good or bad, it all depends on it all depends on perspective and how do we use it. Is it? And then there comes a time when it becomes a surrounding. It becomes into environment. Then it start to impact us directly and indirectly. Let me talk about social media. When first started social media came into existence, it gave a voice to a lot of different people. People were free to talk about anyone without the borders. Think about for a second that how beautiful is that. But over the period of time, yeah, that some people have started to use it for spreading violence, hate, and lot of other things. Uh, Around few years back, this thing came about that Facebook was used to spread hate. Facebook was specifically used to target a specific kind of people to influence the outcome of election. So this is a really bad thing for a democracy. And now it comes a point that we need to set guidelines for social media as well. Yes, freedom of speech is there and should be there. We must not shut it down, but we should also be cognizant of what we share on the social media. We also have a great responsibility. So my thoughts about it is there are good sides as well, there are bad sides as well. So we need to ensure that the good side are always better than the bad side. If the and to eradicate the bad side, we need to think about standardizing things for it. We need to make some laws or make some guidelines, and the company should adhere to those guidelines. That's very important. And the company doesn't obey social media doesn't company doesn't obey countries or law of land, then it should face it should it should face the trial. So that's what I want to say. Thank you. Over to you.